ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I, Brahmachari Pranava Chaitanya, welcome you all to this channel Mukti Vidya. I hope the English knowing people of this world are going to benefit from this. In the beginning, I offer my salutations to the cause of the universe, the Lord, Sadashiva Samarambham. In between comes Adi Shankaracharya, Shankaracharya Madhyama, and my teachers, Asmat Acharya Paryantam. These are Sanskrit words. So, this is the tradition. Any knowledge is traditional. You hand over the knowledge to the next generation. This started from Sadashiva, the cause of the entire universe, and it has come till now. I cannot say anything new because if I try to say anything new, then it will become wrong. 1000 years back, it was the same sun. Today, it is the same sun. And after 1000 years also, the sun will remain the same for other people. So, you cannot say something new about the sun. It is all the time the same. Similarly, this knowledge also. Nothing new can be said about it. But only thing that I can do is, I can draw your attention towards this. So today, in this first session, I am going to discuss the problem of the human being. Human beings actually they do not know what to do in their life. And they suddenly discover that they have got a body near them. And actually they do not know what to do. You will see. Because whatever they do, the dissatisfaction remains with them. They seem to be satisfied for some time, but the satisfaction doesn't last long. So the aim of life, everybody decides his or her aim of life. Just like a person playing an instrument. Others, they give accolades to the person. They say you are great. So he thinks that he is great. Till the time comes when he becomes old and he is no more able to play the instrument, then suddenly the sorrow starts. Old age means you are not fit to play any instrument. So, for others, for some time maybe you are successful, but when you think thoroughly, you find that you have lost something in your life. So any branch of knowledge for that matter, nowhere you can be happy, 100% happy. I mean, temporarily everybody is happy, but the 100% happy people are difficult to find in this world. So this is the problem. The aim of life, deciding what to do in one's life. Take for example a dentist. A dentist, he thinks about the teeth only. He keeps doing research about the teeth. People praise him, they give him money. And even when his wife comes in front of him, he can see the teeth only. And the problem starts. And also a time will come, all the teeth also will fall. You can imagine, the dentist, all the teeth are going to fall one day. So I don't think he will be happy seeing his fallen teeth. So this is how the satisfaction of the human being. Temporary satisfaction doesn't last long. People want to be happy by doing things. This is impossible. The basic problem. You want to do things so that you will be happy. Nobody has become happy that way. So, if you do something and get something, then another desire will again pop up. I'll do this thing next. So, what is the last? When a time comes, the body becomes unfit for any action. So, the sense of success in life, it remains a misnomer for almost everybody in this world. So, if this is so, then no one in this world can be happy. Then there is no way out then, because life is like this. The contemporary situation, people are drowned in their contemporary problems. It has been so. In the history also, when the human being lived in the forest, he had the problems. We live now today in cities, or even first also, the human beings, they face the same problem. All the time the same problem. So, if living becomes a problem, then happiness is not possible. If living becomes a problem. If living becomes a blessing, then only happiness is possible. So, the problem that what should I do in my life, that I have got a body, so what to do with this body, and varieties of other problems also they remain, from where this universe has come, I am not able to know. So many questions they remain unsolved, and with a host of questions nobody becomes happy. So the basic dissatisfied person, whatever he does, remains unhappy throughout. So is there any way out? And if there is a problem, I tell you, there should be a solution also. Provided you try to find that out, there must be a solution also. There is a solution. Yes, there is a solution. Provided you search for that. So you see the universe, how it behaves, what is the nature of the people, what is the nature of the variety of objects, sun, moon, etc. You see, the nature is not going to change. As it is, it will remain. So given the condition of your body, given the condition of the outside world, given the nature of the people, if you can find a way out, then only you can be happy. So the basic problem remains what to do in one's life. Whole life goes away, and I have seen so many people lamenting that I have not been a successful person. There is nothing called a richest person in the world. You can have much more resources. There is no one who is the owner of the world. And there is no ruler who rules the entire world also. So having power also, you are not happy. Relatively you are happy. Everybody is relatively happy. Absolute happiness does not occur to them. There is possibility. So this relative happiness holds the people till death, and they cannot discover in their life what they should have done and what they should not have done. So this is how people live. But some thinking people who are conscious about all these things, they try to find out a solution. And since locally they cannot find out, they see somebody around who can tell about these things. Is there any possibility of being happy throughout one's life? Is there any possibility of being happy in each and every situation, whatever may be? So, such people, they search. And those who have discovered that by doing things they can never be happy, by getting things they can never be happy, they will alone search for this type of knowledge. This is knowledge. Action will never give you absolute satisfaction. It is knowledge only which will give. So, instead of falling after varieties of activities, if somebody is interested in correcting one's thinking, the thinking that I will be successful in doing things, this wrong thinking has to go away, then he or she can search for this type of things which are available around. So, for such people, there are varieties of things available in this world. But which one is the right one? You find it out. Parikshalokan karmachitan. You find out, you examine this world. What is the best for you? And that should be the best which cannot be improved upon. Today you call this best, and tomorrow you call something else best, means what? You have not decided properly. So, whatever is the best, you decide first, seeing from others, learning from others, what they are doing or what they are telling. So, when you are very much sure that this cannot be improved upon and this is the final thing, then only you can be happy. Otherwise, whatever you do, whatever knowledges you have, it's just not possible for you to be happy. So, this is the basic human problem. So, being unhappy is natural for each and every human being in this world. But there is a way out, and I will discuss about it in the next episode. Thank you all. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.